What if a typewriter could rewrite reality itself? Emma inherited her grandmother's vintage typewriter from the 1950s. Excited to use it for her new novel, she set it up in her cozy home office and began typing every day, calling her editor with updates about her progress. Then she wrote a death scene for one of her characters. That same day, her neighbor disappeared without a trace. Curious, Emma decided to test the typewriter's power, typing small fictional scenarios. Every single one came true. But while editing late one night, she accidentally typed her own name into a dangerous scene. People began forgetting who she was. Even close friends acted like strangers. Her reflection started fading from mirrors, becoming more transparent each day. Panicking, Emma tried typing herself back into existence, but the keys jammed every time she wrote her name. Now the typewriter sits empty in an abandoned room, waiting for the next writer to discover its terrible power.